everybody. Today I'm going to do a showcasing of my custom Tomy or Trackmaster trains. No, this isn't one. This is a project I'm working on, cardboard train, along as with that one too. This is Dutch train. But anyways, onto the subject. Trackmaster trains. Yeah, I ripped them up. Alright, back to the subject. The first one we have up is this. Oh gosh, I can drop it. Oh my. Is this CNO 490 locomotive. I made it out of a Tomy Connor because I tried making the 20th Century Limited Hudson Streamliner and I absolutely failed because the face was off proportionate. So I decided, hey, what the heck? Yes, it's a little bit broken, I don't care. All I did was just cover up with some foam tape and that's it. Works well, it's loud. Barely reached the switch. And yeah. Alright, second one. I made this last year technically. Second one, hold on. This is my next Trackmaster screen, based off of the American Challenger locomotives. I'm saying American because I don't know if my viewers are gonna be from overseas. So this is the main powerhouse of the locomotive, which I made from the Duchess. This is supposed to be James. In which I ripped the motor out of him. I never noticed that. Apparently didn't have any wires that connect to it, it's just like these two metal plates. Anywho, this one is neutral. Because as you can see with this train is not neutral at all. I hate it why it does that. I tried to remove the face, it did not work. So, I just painted over it, put some cardboard on it, had a little bit of details. We got it. This is the 3977 locomotive. Look it up. Look up UP Challenger locomotive 3977. Last but not least, literally, we have the Thomas E2 class locomotive. Still working on it. Made a little bit of mistakes. Looks nice. Finished it yesterday. I did not have to remove the face because in order to remove the face, you have to, like, get rid of that. How I removed the face of this, there was literally a screw. This is just a molded plastic. Come on, Trackmaster. Try better. Anyways, I can easily access the battery. I had to paint the wheels, paint everything black, except for the funnel here. It's a nice mock. My own creation modification. I don't care. Okay. So that's all with the Trackmaster stuff. And Tomy stuff, but honestly my room, it's just Legos. And some drones. This one's my favorite. Okay. So anyways, what we have here is the Crocodile, the ICE locomotive. Not locomotive, train. Bullet train. The ICE or ECA, Intercity Express, is a German train. And everybody messes it up when they look at, like, the newest Lego bullet train thingy. And they say, oh yeah, you can customize it to make it look like an American train. No, that's German. Lego's German. Or is it Dutch? I can't tell. Crocodile locomotive. Yeah, that's cool. And yeah, everything looks like a mess.